2 years ago, with the help of our backers right here on Indiegogo, we launched and delivered Heroclip, the first of its kind hybrid clip that can hold just about anything, just about anywhere. Our philosophy for Heroclip is simple. Our hands have better things to do than just hold stuff. The response we got was extremely positive. But you told us we have 2 things left to do.
We love talking to our community. We are a crowdfunded company and we've been receiving a lot of feedback, and the number one request has been for additional sizes that have the same functionality as the original Heroclip. The first is the small, which works really well in daily life to hold things like computer bags, purses, and camera and gear bags. Then we have the mini, a truly compact Heroclip that's perfect for smaller items like toiletry and makeup bags, water bottles, and for travel. I'm happy to say they've become a big hit already with our testers.
Heroclip is a hybrid clip with a fully functional carabiner on one end and a hook with a rubber tip for grip on the other, and in between a 360-degree rotating swivel that makes the gear you hang infinitely more accessible. It even folds compact when you're not using it.
Along with the new sizes, the one other big request we've been getting is for patterns and designs on the Heroclips so that people could express their personal styles better.
Well, what's exciting about these new clips is they enable a lot of expression. We are a creative brand and we've got this creative community, and it's great that we can take some of that vision and finally get it onto the clip itself.